This year marks 40 years of our Straight from the Heart brand. For lots of us, the blizzard of 1993 exists in our memories through photos, through videos. But for a family in Blount County, they have an actual memento from the storm of the century, and he turns 30 in 9 months. Here's John Becker with his story.
The blizzard of 1993, it left people stranded, without power, and with a lot of downtime.
When the blizzard happened, the nurses were like counting up 40 weeks from then because they wanted to know when there was going to be so many babies.
A lot of downtime.
Well, we went out and bought the milk and the bread. My brother and his wife came over. We had a deck of cards and we were ready.
But it was also what was in the cards for the Blevins family that they still talk about.
Doctor was running from room to room.
The Blevins family was one of almost 40 welcoming a new baby 9 months after the storm.
I just have a great reminder. I have a 6'2" reminder, from it.
Their son Daniel is a blizzard baby.
But it was packed, the hospital. What I remember, it was busy.
There was 40 babies born that day at UT. And because Jay is just so funny, and the doctor just loved him, he's like, I'm gonna make y'all, he said, I'm gonna make you famous. I'm gonna put you on TV tonight. Well, I'm 25 years old. I've had a new baby. I have no idea what I have just signed myself up for. But I was like, yes, let's get this baby on TV.
They did give out the shirts.
They did give us a shirt that said Blizzard Baby.
Channel 10 documented Daniel's birth, and over the years, we checked in with the family who added a daughter, Jessica, all of whom are now all used to the kidding.
With our group chat that we have, if a storm is coming or it's going to be snowing, there's a text that's sent out that's saying, hey, a storm's coming. Remember that 9 months later if you want a baby or not.
For almost 30 years, the family has joked about their blizzard baby, and Daniel himself has found the humor in it.
Well, everyone knows about it. Everyone's about to know about it again. A lot of football coaches and my friends called me Blizzard. So, it's one of those things that I don't particularly bring up in conversation.
Now married, Daniel and his wife Kelsey say they can expect some good-natured needling around this time of year every year.
Well, like every year on this time, this clip reoccurs on Facebook, and so we all share it. He gets so embarrassed, but it's always a good laugh, and now it's a good joke between my family too.
And the couple has their own unique baby story to share, also inspired by a national event. Their daughter Harper was born during the COVID-19 pandemic.
It took a blizzard for my dad to get blessed with me. It took a very bad pandemic for me to get blessed with a child, so.
Yeah.
Eventful, to say the least. Harper and her big brother, Aiden, will soon have a baby sister. Daniel and Kelsey are due later this year, and we say congrats to them.